snap. If you're the everything professional like I am, where you got the kids, you got the family, you got work, you got your personal life, you got your organizations and all those things that are pulling at you, sometimes we're just doing way too much. And then the to-do list is just let's get something done for the sake of feeling less overwhelmed. And the priority matrix is just really determining what's urgent and or important. It's a quadrant. And essentially, in each quadrant, there is a degree of urgency or importance. And based on that, you make a decision on what you do. So if it's not important and not urgent, delete it. It should be gone. Be done. Let's not hold on to it. It's not necessary. If it's urgent but not important, delegate. Please, let's not have control issues with this. You got way too much to do. If it's important but not urgent, plan. That's right. Go into your calendar and think about what's the timing, when's the need, what are the stakes, and make a plan for you to move it up on your priority list or on your priority matrix. And finally, if it's urgent and it's important, do it. Do it first. Do it immediately. Make it happen. Just do it. Because essentially, the lists never end, but your feeling about what you're getting done and how you're getting it done matters. And if you can use this matrix to help you to get those things that are urgent and important out of your way, you'll feel a lot better.